to our online class today. It's me again, teacher Jenny. How was your weekend, everyone? Great. I hope you're doing well and keep safe every time. Okay, class, so what day is today? Today is Monday, November 16, 2020. Now, every Monday, first session, we are going to study Blueprint 2. Unit 2, Small Talk, page 20. But before that, proceed to our new lesson, everyone. Let's review our previous lesson. Last time, we talked about fluency. And this topic talks about writing to a pen pal. Have you ever experienced writing to a pen pal or pen friend, everyone? Okay, that's great. For me, I have experience already and it's very, very nice experience. So let's move on to our new lesson for today. Our new lesson for today is from lesson 1, this weather. So do you know what is the meaning of weather, everyone? Okay, here's the meaning of the weather. Weather is the state of atmosphere around us. Change every day. That's why we have forecast or weather forecast news every day, right? To know the weather for the following day or today's weather. Now, open your book to page 20 and let's start to part A, model conversation. Now, for this part A, I'm going to play an audio track 11, read and listen with this one. Let's start.
Track 11. So what do you think of this weather?
I hate it. It's so hot here in the summer. I don't like high temperatures.
Oh, I'm from Arizona. This feels quite cool to me.
Then you won't like winter here. There's a lot of snow, and it's really cold, sometimes 5 degrees below zero.
Below zero? In Celsius or Fahrenheit?
Celsius.
That's not too bad. Anyway, in the winter, I'm going back to my hometown. It's such a great place.
What's the weather like there?
It's usually sunny and clear. It's hot and dry, never humid. By the way, how's the weather here in spring and fall?
It's great, cool and sunny. Those are the best seasons.
Alright, class, so that is our part A, model conversation with track 11. Now, for our brief note, everyone, sometimes we say so to start a conversation. We say ha in a statement when everything or something is interesting. We ask ha as a question when we want someone to repeat. As a question, ha is very informal. Another brief note is in weather forecast, C stands for Celsius and F stands for Fahrenheit. In the US, people usually use Fahrenheit. People in other English-speaking countries usually use Celsius. So that is our part A, model conversation with brief note. So take note of that one. Okay, everyone? Now let's proceed to our part B, vocabulary. But before that, everyone, before proceeding to our part B, vocabulary exercise, textbook exercise, I'm going to show you these pictures and the meaning. Now, for first picture, we have temperature. So what is the meaning of temperature, everyone? Okay, here's the meaning. Temperature, the degree or intensity of heat present in a substance or object, especially as expressed according to a comparative scale and shown by a thermometer or perceived by touch. So that is a temperature. Next picture we have, what is this, everyone? Dry, correct. You see the place, it's very dry, usually in the desert, right? So here's the meaning. Dry is free from moisture or liquid. Not wet or not moist. So that is dry. Next, for our third picture, we have season. Season is each of the 4 divisions of the year. We have spring, summer, autumn, and winter, marked by particular weather patterns and daylight hours resulting from the Earth's changing position with regard to the sun. So this is season. Now, let's move on to the next picture, everyone. We have forecast. Forecast is a predict or estimate a future event or trend. Like what I've said earlier, forecast is a prediction of or estimate weather forecast for the following day. So that is forecast. Next picture is clear, correct. So clear is a substance or transparent or unclouded. You see this sky? Clear, you cannot see anything except the sun, meaning you don't have any clouds up there. It's totally clear. Next, our last vocabulary picture is weather. So this one I already explained and give the definition from our part A. So this is the weather. Alright class, so that is our part B, vocabulary, pictures and its meaning. Now it's time for you to do the textbook exercise, part B, vocabulary. Now, extension of your exercise is define the following weather. We have sunny, thunderstorm, and windy. Once you finish the part B plus another exercise of our lesson, take a photo and send those answers to your teacher's personal telegram so you can get a score for today's lesson. So that is our lesson for today. Blueprint 2, we talk about Unit 2, Small Talk, page 20. Okay, everyone? So I'll see you again in our second session. Goodbye!